Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add roles on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this you have to open your Discord. Now click on this arrow icon. Now go to server settings. Here you will find the option of roles. Press on it. Now click on create role. Now give a name of your role. Now select a color. Here you can choose your image. Now scroll down and you'll find here display role members separately from online members. You have to just turn on this button. After all of this, you have to press on save changes. Here you can see my role. That's it. So this is how to add roles on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.